It's like a little mini date night, so I suppose we might have a beer.
Any excuse.
This little soft body.
Look at that big belly.
So beautiful.
Heavy metal.
Maybe. This person did this and they did that and then they did that.
Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Tonight's video we're filming, we're starting filming at night. Which is actually really difficult for me right now.
Well, it's really difficult and it's borderline foolish, but we'll see how we go.
I think we'll be okay.
Okay.
Tonight we are hosting ourselves.
Each other.
We are hosting each other.
Yeah.
Tonight
for a change.
Yeah. I know. I haven't seen you in ages.
Yeah, I know.
Just never spent any time together. Tonight we're having a Valentine's date night, and we are homemaking it all because obviously this Valentine's Day there will be nowhere open for us in the UK to go out to, book a restaurant, you know, treat yourself. We thought we would just do a nice 3-course restaurant-worthy date night Valentine's dinner, but make it affordable and make it like a really achievable. We're going to put the menu up as we go along in the video so you guys can copy. We're going to be showing you a recipe that actually lots of people ask about. That'll be for pudding. And it's all from Aldi, even better. So it was really well priced, much cheaper than if we had gone out.
100%, and there's a lot of the stuff as well that you'll probably find in your cupboards.
In and around your cupboards. Yeah, that's going to be today's video at Valentine's date night. Hopefully it gives you some Valentine's inspiration. Hope you're all really well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really does help my channel out. Let's just get into it and let's start our romantic dinner.
Yeah.
Starter, I'm going to be making the starters. We've gone for something relatively easy but also a little bit is that a term?
Not really, but
we'll go with that. A little bit more restaurant style, more effort than we would just normally do. To be fair, we never make starters at home ever. But we're going for smoked salmon Bilinis. We have some Bilinis from Aldi. I actually got these out from the freezer. Picked them up in the sale over Christmas. They go in the oven just for a little bit. We're going to put some soft cheese on, so like a Philadelphia Aldi dupe, which tastes just the same, and little bits of salmon on a nice bed of rocket with a little bit of oil, maybe a bit of lemon juice, and some seasoning. And let's go. Juice. Guys, we found this in Aldi today actually. Doesn't it look like Panda Pops? Radnor Fizz Apple, Radnor. And it's been approved by the schools as being a non sugary drink so people can have it.
it's one of your 5 a day.
One of your 5 a day. And I'm thinking, is it going to be like appetizer?
Well, there's only one way to find out. Would you like to taste it, madame?
Thank you. I'll have a glass of that, please. It's okay. It does taste like actual apple juice.
That's kind of reassuring.
Do you know what? It does taste like appetizer.
There we go.
It's a little bit sweeter. It's like they've used different apples.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
It's less tart.
Less tart, and I like the tartness of appetizer.
Yeah.
But actually, I quite like that.
It's very good.
Anyway,
Yeah.
happy Valentines. Love you. Mwah. Right. So we have our starters. We have a 3-week starter date bag of rocket.
Nice.
But it looks absolutely fine.
Yep.
So that was good because I actually forgot to pick up rocket earlier. And then we have our Bilinis, so smoked salmon, cream cheese, cracked black pepper, and the Bilinis, all from Aldi, all really wonderfully affordable.
Yep.
Good for the tummy, good for the bank account. So, what is the word? We both forgot the word of like the little trays they bring around of food at like functions and things.
So annoying.
It's not on trays. I can't remember, but we're having it like that. So we're going to pick a bit of the salad. Got our forks, and pick a bit of the salmon Bilinis. Start with a bit of salad. It's terry time. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. These look good, don't they?
They do look great.
We've not actually tried this salmon from Aldi. It's the mild and delicate. Aren't they good?
That's superb. Yeah. And as you know, I'm fussy when it comes to the smoked salmon.
Okay, whilst we eat on each course, we have to answer a question about each other.
Oh, okay.
We have to ask each other a question.
So it's good to know that I've been prepped for this.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Not at all. What am I most excited about and most scared about having a baby?
Two things are quite similar, I'd say.
Okay.
And I think like you're most excited about meeting the baby and spending time together as a family. But then I think the thing that most scares you is change and it not being too dramatically different as far as our lives are concerned.
I think so. Like, I was reading these tweets from Raw Beauty Kirsty yesterday, and she said before she had the baby, she didn't realise how much her life would change, but actually how much she loved that.
Right, okay.
So I think I have to wait till the baby's here to get over that fear.
Oh, I think so. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and the thing I'm most excited about, it's really hard to put into words, but I just so excited about like a new lease of life. That's it now. It's a whole new world is there.
Yeah. It's like a step into something completely
different. And there's like, you know, that's it. It's happening. And I'm just so excited to like hear it talk one day. I say it because we don't know the gender, by the way.
We don't.
What's its voice going to be like, and what's its hair going to be like, and what will it be interested in? Is it going to just love like horses or karate, or is it going to be obsessed with metal? Heavy metal.
Maybe.
I can't wait to like just see them and see who they are.
That's kind of the most exciting bit about it.
Yeah.
What's my favourite genre of book?
What's your favourite genre of book?
Yeah. You're going to have to be quite specific.
Is it like medieval?
It counts. Audiobooks count.
Right, so you read a lot of Stephen King type things.
Do.
A lot of dark things.
Yeah.
Does it have the word dark in it?
Do you know what? It kind of does, but it's in another language.
Oh, right, so now I have to be bilingual to get your favourite genre of book.
Yeah, it's
I'm
a genre.
going to say dark investigation.
Yeah.
Type.
Okay, all right. And whereabouts are they set? Because if you get this right, I will give it to you.
Maine. No. London. America. Europe.
Yeah, somewhere in Europe.
Tell me.
So Scandinavian.
Oh yeah, I would have got that.
So, and the foreign word for dark or is for black is noir. Scandinavian noir. That is the
Scandinavian noir.
That's a genre. That's my genre. It's crime books that are based in Sweden, Norway, or Denmark. It's pretty niche.
That is quite niche. Imagine we was on like Mr. and Mrs. and you would have bloody made me answer that. Don't you want to win? Right.
So, anyway.
Let's get dinner on. That was thoroughly delicious.
Fantastic.
I'm
And
really
I'm so
enjoying-
glad we got more blinis in the freezer.
I know. Like... Okay, so for dinner tonight we're having a really delicious pasta dish. We've already started prepping it. Tagliatelle with courgette, chilies and lemons. We should put a bit of garlic in there.
Yeah, there was somebody, because the original recipe calls for bacon, but you know.
We decided unanimously we don't think bacon will give anything to that dish, so we're leaving it out.
Definitely wouldn't, but do you know what? If you were to make this yourself and you were to add some smoked bacon, it might be a pleasant surprise.
We might put some garlic in there, so it's just got chilli, lemon juice, lots of grated courgette, which I'll talk you through in a minute how to prepare. Parmesan, cream, double cream.
Yeah, cream.
And I think that's it. Okay, so the courgette, we've used 2 courgettes, and essentially what you do is grate the courgette and dry it out. We've been drying it with tea towels, which actually works a lot more efficiently.
Wringing it out.
Wringing it out. Lots of courgette. We're not normally courgette lovers in this house, have to admit, but like this, it'll be fine, so it won't go all soggy and stringy, will it?
No.
We have 1 cut up chilli. You can remove the seeds if you like. Lots of parmesan. Did you measure that out or you just went with your gut?
I went with my gut.
Thought so. Fresh British double cream. And this, say it. There we go.
Whatever that is. I think that's just egg.
Oh.
Egg tagliatelle.
Well, it says I'm new as well, I just realised that. So some nice looking pasta from Aldi. And yeah, let's get cooking.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes.
Hey.
You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone.
Okay, wow, doesn't this look good?
It does look good, actually.
It's something I would order from a restaurant.
Yeah,
it's not too fussy.
Do you know what I reckon? It's probably something that you could very easily imagine being served at like a place like Carluccio's or something.
Well, thank you for cooking it.
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
I must say I'm pretty impressed by how it's looking.
It does, and it smells incredible. That's bloody delicious. Quite spicy. A little bit, not too much.
At a push, it could be just a regular weekday meal. It could. It's a bit fussy with the squeezing out of the courgette and stuff, but I mean, really,
it's low ingredients.
It really, you could do it. Like, honestly.
Yeah. Yummy. Absolutely delicious. If I could choose one thing to give up, I don't know if I could give up either. I'll get your perspective on it. One thing to give up, would it be Disney films or Studio Ghibli films?
That's really tough. I'd say historically Disney films have always been your comfort blanket, but recently Studio Ghibli have kind of taken that spot a little bit, not entirely, but a little bit.
They're on par, I would say, which is huge for me.
I would say if you had to drop one, you'd drop Ghibli.
Studio Ghibli, it does give me a lot of nostalgia, it gives me a lot of comfort. I think it's so beautiful on so many ways. It's a really enjoyable watch, whereas I don't think Disney is as deep as that. Or do you know what I mean?
I agree.
Although I do love Disney. I love the music, I love the nostalgic feeling, the kind of like buzz you get when it's like the intro with the castle and stuff. I do love that, but I just get a bit more now from a Ghibli.
Yeah, truthfully, I think all Ghibli films are deep and have lots of levels and lots of layers, whereas I think not all Disney films do. Some Disney films do. And particularly some of the more recent Pixar films, I think particularly have been very, very good at that. Yeah, it's a difficult one though. Okay, so 2 questions, similar, and they're about films.
Okay.
A film, not necessarily a film that I'd want to watch every day, but what I would consider to be a great film. Would there ordinarily be a happy ending or a sad ending?
Sad.
Yeah. and this is a more philosophical question, it's not right or wrong, but is it okay for a film to end without this person did this and they did that and then they did that and this is what happened to their career?
There's not always that much.
Or is it okay to leave it open?
It's not okay to leave it as open as some of the films we've watched.
Wow, okay, what happened?
No clarification.
What happened next? Like, oh, I'd like to think that's what happened next, so that's what it's going to be for me.
No.
Soph likes to know what happened. Like, this is what happens. That's the end.
Well, yeah, because I have to know things turned all right, out okay, otherwise I worry. And it like becomes a part of my life and I'm Googling answers. And obviously no one has the answer, so everybody's speculating.
I think there's beauty in tragedy. Like, that's what, like, I
Oh, I do, but it takes a long time to want to watch a sad film for me.
Yeah, I've got to be in a good mood.
Moods.
Got to be in good moods.
Anyway, dinner was absolutely delicious.
It was, I can't stop eating it.
Very low maintenance, very easy to make, and just like really rewarding.
And you'll feel really fresh afterwards as well. It's really light.
We're going to finish this off. I'm going to get pudding on the go. 4-hour melt in the middle puddings. We need some dark chocolate. We've got this Mossa Roth one. Is this the one in little packets? Oh yeah, look how satisfying that is. So some dark chocolate, block of British butter, unsalted, not all of it obviously. We are going to be using a little bit of this, which was just from the cupboard. That's just to dust the ramekins. Eggs, golden caster sugar and plain flour. So it's really, really super duper easy. I'm gonna get on with it now. And they smell amazing. This is so much easier than you think to make.
Brilliant.
It's really, really easy. And yeah, shall we give it a go?
Yeah. You can turn these out as well.
Yeah, you can get them out. If you haven't got like a nice ramekin and you want to have it on a bowl, in a bowl or something. It's good, isn't it?
Really good.
Do you like
Delicious.
it? Look at that. Chocolate goo.
This would be better than anything you could buy off the shop shelf.
100%. Has been a successful date night and cost a lot less had we have gone out. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this and finish our lovely Valentine's date night. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. It was really fun to film. Thanks so much for watching. If you have got all the way to the end, please do give it a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll see you again really, really soon. And we love you very much. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.